What's up, you flopping gropers? It's your boy FG making a splash. Me convincing the dude at the coffee shop of the magic of online trading. Man, it's been a fee blender. Crazy territory. Look at the 12-hour heat map, guys. We got licks below, licks above. Dirty range here. Looking at Bitcoin, you know, we've now slipped below the fresh weekly VWAP. That's that yellow VWAP here placed on the first day of the week here. And the leapfrog strategy dictates that whenever a new period begins, whether it's a weekly, a monthly, a quarterly, or yearly, that we tend to want to retread back to the previous period as either support or resistance, just because that's where we feel safe. And so I am expecting Bitcoin to come down and tap this 56.7 or 56.800 territory here. And it also just kind of makes sense from a, you know, from a retracement standpoint. If you do a retracement from the bottom to what we believe is now the top, we've only gotten a, what is that, a point? Is it 382? I can't even remember the number. Yeah, it's a 382 retracement that we've gotten so far. We haven't even retraced down to the 50 or the golden retracement area. So I believe that we could actually dump further than this previous weekly VWAP, but this is a conservative target for any short trades if this does end up playing out harder in the next day or so. And this is a short idea that's backed up by a larger idea. If you go and like zoom out super hard, you'll see the last year's year to date is all the way down at 43.7, all the way down here. And looking at Bitcoin's price structure, you know, it's a little bit scary. This is kind of bear market-ish, right? Because since the beginning of Q2, basically, we've formed nothing but lower highs and lower lows. And so we've been in a downtrend, and not just any downtrend, but kind of a like more parabolic lower and lower type of downtrend. And eventually it goes parabolic. It's like a parabolic down kind of thing. And I think it's very likely that the year-to-date VWAP, you know, the 2024 year-to-date would be the final death bell, the gong that sends Bitcoin down into oblivion. And that is what we're seeing here: a dead cat bounce, a suckers rally with a large sell-off at 2024's year-to-date. And it even pumps back up super hard, and they sell off. They came and they even tested it again almost on the scalp time frames. When we came up to this wick, we almost hit it. But you know, it is possible that there's more, that we come up again and there's more selling off at the year to date. Maybe not enough selling off at the year to date has occurred, and they're going to pump it up so that more people can get out strategically at the year to date VWAP before it goes down lower. But either way, I'm expecting Bitcoin to have a very hard time getting over its year to date again, if it even gets there again. Currently in my mind, what's more likely is that we dump to the weekly, and that parlays into the larger bearish idea, and we simply continue down. And I might be wrong on that, but I'm just going to plan my trades and risks accordingly. I'm gonna be looking for short trades so that, you know, if I get a bad entry, I can kind of chill and expect the larger downtrend to bail me out of my crappy idea. Whereas if I trade counter trend, then it's only a matter of time before my trade is underwater and I'm completely screwed. So, you know, the Bitcoin trading has been okay last couple days. Like, I had a really nice short, but we've had a couple bad entries, and right now I'm kind of nursing his shit bag down at these lows down here. So I really do want this to come down, test the current month's VWAP, the August VWAP, get through that somehow, and make its way down to the previous week's VWAP, if not lower. I'm thinking about fully exiting at this previous week's VWAP down here at 56,750, but I'm not totally decided on that yet. I might just close like 80% or something, but that is pretty much where I'm at with the Bitcoin price. We got that short bias, and we got these liquidations above and below. Definitely hotly contested area in the market. When we zoom out on this heat map here, seeing a lot of licks at the all-time high. It's not until we zoom out to the year where you see a lot of why it's appealing for Bitcoin to dump and experience a parabolic down sort of bear market move this quarter. Because like you bottom out at the end of the year in Q4, that sets up 2025 to be as good as possible of a year. And you also get to hit all these juicy lick levels down here, fill all these gaps that we lost track of and forgot about. And there's just a lot of good reasons to want to go down there. So you know, we're open-minded. We're open to you know, things happening on the global stage that rock our small crypto industry to its foundations, regardless of the nice good things that have happened for us this year. That makes a dump down so much more important. If we can get one more bus stop onto the bus for the normies and the people that you meet at the coffee shop and your family members and all those things, that's a good thing. If there's a chance for regular people to get in, you know, and institutions and everybody to get in cheaper, I think that we should welcome that. And yeah, so this is the mode I'm in under the year to date. If we could get over the year to date, I would become a lot more hopeful, a lot more positive. But I'm just trusting the VWAPs. I'm relaying to you guys what the VWAPs are telling me as best as I can. And that's all I got for you today. So you can still use code DUMP on Market Cypher at marketcypher.com, link in the description. There's still some limited time premium Mike Perry t-shirts available at empoweredtraders.com. If you use code platinum, you get $25 off those shirts. I only got a couple dozen of them left. Link in the description for that as well. If you're trading on Bybit or you want to trade on Bybit, consider using my affiliate link and get under me on that. And that link's in the description. And lastly, make sure you just like and subscribe, drop a little comment. Where do you think Bitcoin's gonna go in the next couple days, weeks, months? And make sure you follow my Twitter at floppinggroper here for all sorts of trading updates and just random stuff on there. But that's about all I got for you right now, guys. Have a good week.